Every fall you take is not your end. It's life whispering softly. Get up again. You see, failure doesn't define you, it refines you. Every time you fall, you're learning something the easy days could never teach. Don't hide from your pain. Face it, feel it, and rise through it. Because those who rise after falling, shine brighter than those who never fell. Your scars are not signs of weakness, they're proof that you survived what tried to destroy you. So, take a deep breath, lift your head, and move again. You are stronger than your past, and your next chapter is waiting.